Alright, I like what you got there. Let me show you what I got. Check this out. Bring the bass line. Hey yo, shut it down.
These brothers my guys, know that we fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, see they act, never gotta roll with ice. Generations caught up, look how things will switch.
Welcome back to the channel. Those of you newcomers, go ahead and push that red subscribe button and join the family. You guys, we're headed into the mall. Now keep in mind, you guys, we have the guys coming over to cook, so we're not going to be in the mall long. So we're going to give you a preview of what we were able to see, and don't worry, we went back many times, so we covered it all. Okay, y'all, we are here in the kitchen. We've got the cooks are in here throwing down. Yeah, they throwing down. Look at what they do. Look at that. They throwing down, y'all. Oh, yeah. And this one here, he need to get back to work, sir. Yeah. See that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we about to eat some good food. I just want you to get a look at these cuties up in here that's throwing down. Yeah. They bought groceries, food, everything they needed. Brought us supplies around. Told us to sit down and wait till they got finished so we could eat. Can't beat that, y'all. We living the life up in Malaysia right here, I'm telling you. Now let me take you over to the window and see the view that we're looking at while we're doing this. Y'all see that view? This is Malaysia. We in the house, y'all. All right, and we'll show you the finished product when it's done. Yeah, turn my mic up. It's the only way I get them quiet, especially that one. Well, afterwards, we were off to the rooftop pool to have fun with some other friends. a big deal. Oh, yeah, I see you, big dog.
This was the most amazing game. Now stay tuned for more Russian shenanigans. Catch you in the next one.